So, I just found these two dogs out here, and it's about to storm. As you can see, I got them some water. Hi there. Y'all are so sweet. Y'all are so sweet. Hi. Oh God. You're very cute, but and sweet, but I can't let you in my house. I'm sorry. My mom won't let me. I don't know what to do. I can't just leave them out here. I knocked on my neighbor's door and they did not answer. I think they just called me. I don't know. And there's the other one. But yeah. I don't know what to do. They're out here. It's about to storm its butt off. And this Yorkie, this tiny little Yorkie keeps on following me and it's adorable. But I don't know what to do. Please help. Sorry if my porch is a mess, but look at this cute little doggo. Oh God. I'm gonna have to go inside soon. I'm sorry for leaving them out here. And I know I got something in my eye. I know y'all probably saying, really? You're just gonna leave two poor little doggos out here? No home. Well, they do have a home. And hopefully the owners will figure it out. I left them out some water. So, yeah, I'm sorry, doggos. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Alright, see y'all later.